Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the question code 15 JP110234. So what is given in this question, that there is a block of mass M which is connected by two springs. It is not actually connected, it is just pushed. So we can one thing we can say that the equivalent spring equivalent is equal to 2k, k plus k. Okay, since these springs are in parallel. So when it is pushed, we can say it will perform oscillations. So one thing we must know that how it should perform oscillations. Okay, so if you look at the figure very closely, we can say that half of the oscillations are like this. M 2k. Okay, it goes this way and this way, and it breaks at natural length or at mean position, which are same in this case. It breaks at natural length. So after it breaks contact with the natural length, the block goes in this direction, suppose let's say with velocity v, and returns with velocity v again. Okay, it is given that the velocity is v, it is given. Okay, next what we can say is that if we have to find the time period, we can say that the time period would be equal to the time of oscillation divided by 2 plus for the to and fro motion from this point to this point. So we can say since this distance is L, this time period would be, okay, this oscillation to and fro would be equal to 2L by V. L by V to go here and L by V to come back. So this is time for to and fro motion. For the time of oscillation, we can say it is equal to pi under root m upon 2k. So we can definitely say that if this is t1 and this is t2, the total time of oscillation, the total time period of oscillation would be equal to t1 plus t2, which is equal to pi under root m by 2k plus 2l by v. This is our final answer.